Fargo Public School leaders are getting ready for kids to head back to the classroom. The district's school-based mental health professionals got the chance to connect with community organizations this morning, learning how to better help students and their families. About 40 local community providers set up in the gym at Fargo North High School. The goal is to help connect families with resources and to reduce barriers and improve access to education.
We spend a lot of time trying to communicate with our families about resources, so all of the folks who are here today are a great avenue for that. They spend time in contact with families directly, and then whenever possible, we're also including information in our school newsletters as well as our district newsletters.
The event is in its second year. Visitors included Prairie St. John's, the Salvation Army, the Great Plains Food Bank, and the North Dakota Autism Center, just to name a few.